Hello, people. My original plan was to go and get plants and come, but because there's no current, so then using the lift to transport those plants will be tough. But I think I should just go and get the plants and come and keep it in the car, and when the current comes, I could, like take it up and down. Yeah, I could do that also. Because I think when you are getting ready to do something, you should not let that momentum pass. But I think I'll finish off my yoga and all also. That is something I can do. And this very rarely happens that this young man comes and sits on my uh, bed on his own during my YouTube recording time. So I think these are opportunities that should not be missed. So that's why this video is just like dedicated to him, because he is just so adorable. Just look at him, yeah. So it's already going to be a 1 minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching, and that's a rabbit hop. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.